Can AI find colors? What it means? Here we have a simple problem to identify the most dominant color in any given image. Let's see how AI can solve it. So here we are going to use computer vision to solve this problem. At the end of the session, what we want to achieve is this. So for any given image, we want to get the dominant color as an output. Here it's yellow, and it will also say the portion of the color present in that image. It's like 59 to 60%, and you can also see the values like RGB in terms of normalized values. So how do we do that? So generally a computer doesn't see the colors, but it see the pixel values. So how we can extract pixels is, once you read the image, you flatten it as a pixel, so you have a one-dimensional array of pixels, and then we are going to use k-means clustering over 3 clusters. So once we identify those 3 clusters, we try to get the largest cluster out of it. So that is going to be our most dominant color. So here I have presented you only the most important pieces of code, but the main code is in Kaggle, and a link is provided for your reference. So let's also see a few more examples how we can do that over others. So, and you can see for this car the most is whitish gray, so that is the dominant color, and 38% is the coverage. And for the other image, which is a complex textured carpet, and you can see mostly it is green colored, and we have achieved that as well.